Alright folks, gather round because NVIDIA is back at it again. Today, May 25th, 2025 is a big day. The GeForce RTX 5000 series has finally broken cover. NVIDIA is promising another massive leap in performance. They're talking about next-level gaming experiences. They're pushing the boundaries for content creators. And of course, they're flexing those AI muscles. This isn't just an incremental update, people. This feels like a whole new ballgame. So, why should you care about another new graphics card series? Well, if you're a gamer, this is where the magic happens. Think smoother frame rates at even higher resolutions. Think ray tracing that looks so real you'll forget it's a game. For you content creators out there, rendering times are about to get a whole lot shorter. Editing 8K video, complex 3D modeling, the RTX 5000 series is built to handle it. And for the AI enthusiasts, the new architecture brings even more power for machine learning, research, and those cool AI tools we're all starting to use daily. So, grab a drink, settle in, and let's get to it. This is exciting stuff. So, let's talk about the heart of these new beasts, the Blackwell architecture. NVIDIA has been cooking this one up for a while. It's the successor to Ada Lovelace, and that's a tough act to follow. Blackwell is built on a new, smaller process node. We're likely looking at something like TSMC's 3nm technology. This means more transistors packed into the same space. More transistors usually mean more power and better efficiency. NVIDIA is promising big things with Blackwell. They're saying it's their most ambitious leap yet. It's designed from the ground up for the demands of modern gaming and intensive AI workloads. One of the headline acts for Blackwell is, of course, ray tracing. NVIDIA is introducing their next-generation RT cores. These new cores are designed to be significantly faster. They handle the complex calculations for realistic light, shadows, and reflections much more efficiently. This means games can implement even more advanced ray tracing effects. We're talking about truly dynamic global illumination. We're talking about reflections that are indistinguishable from reality. The goal here is full immersion. Blackwell aims to make those ray-traced worlds run smoother than ever before, even at high resolutions. Alright, let's get to the juicy stuff, the cards themselves. Starting at the top, we have the absolute monster, the GeForce RTX 5090. This is the new king of the hill, no doubt about it. We're hearing it packs around 24,576 CUDA cores. That's a massive number. It's expected to feature 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. This memory will be running on a wide 512-bit bus, or perhaps a 384-bit bus with very high speeds. Clock speeds should also see a nice bump over the RTX 4090. This card is designed for no-compromise 4K and even 8K gaming. It's for the enthusiasts who demand the absolute best performance. Next up is the GeForce RTX 5080. This card usually hits a sweet spot for high-end gamers. It offers a big chunk of the flagship's power, but at a slightly more accessible price point. For the RTX 5080, we're anticipating something in the neighborhood of 18,432 CUDA cores. It will likely come with 20 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory. The memory bus will probably be around 320-bit. The RTX 5080 is still an absolute beast. Section 4. Smarter Pixels. AI Advancements with RTX 5000. NVIDIA has been leading the charge with AI in gaming for a while now. The RTX 5000 series takes this to a whole new level. It's not just about raw graphics power anymore. It's about smart graphics power. The enhanced tensor cores in the Blackwell architecture are the engine behind this AI revolution. They allow for incredibly complex AI algorithms to run in real time. This opens up a world of possibilities. We're seeing AI improve image quality, boost performance, and even create more dynamic game worlds. This generation is doubling down on AI. It's becoming integral to the gaming experience. The star of the AI show is undoubtedly DLSS, deep learning supersampling. With the RTX 5000 series, we're expecting to see DLSS 4.0, or whatever NVIDIA calls its latest iteration. DLSS uses AI to upscale lower resolution images to your native screen resolution. This gives you a massive performance boost. Section 5. Cool, efficient, and is it upgrade time? Now, packing all this power into a graphics card generates a lot of heat. So, cooling is super important. NVIDIA knows this. With the RTX 5000 series, especially the high-end models like the RTX 5090, we're expecting to see some serious cooling solutions. Think beefier heat sinks, improved vapor chamber designs, and more efficient fans. Some third-party board partners might even go for hybrid liquid cooling solutions. The goal is to keep these cards running cool and quiet, even under heavy load. Nobody wants a jet engine in their PC case. So, thermal management is a key focus for this generation. Power efficiency is another big talking point. Thanks to the new process node, likely 3 nanometers, the Blackwell architecture should be more power efficient than Ada Lovelace. This means more performance per watt. While the top-end cards will still draw a lot of power, the efficiency gains mean you get more bang for your electrical buck. This is good for your energy bill. It's also good for system builders, as it might mean you don't need a ridiculously oversized power supply.